Hi winners, real quick today we're gonna cut up a chicken. Let's get started. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is take off the thighs on the chicken. Take that off. Whoa, this one has the chicken falling off. Alright, so that's one less thing we have to cut. Put that over in the pan. Alright, first things first, we're just going to make a cut down the center. Nice and easy. Just going to cut it in half. Nice and easy. Done. So we have half chicken here. Alright, then we're going to cut this leg quarter off. That consists of the thigh and the leg. It's actually the wing, right? We're going to cut that off, that leg and thigh piece. That's called leg quarter. So now we have a thigh and a leg, and we're going to put that away. And then we have next, we have the breast and the wing left over here. Piece, actually, you remember that piece fell off, that wing piece. So now we have just the leg looking piece of the wing. So we're going to cut that off. Boom, got that there. We got a little bit of the breast on there. That's okay. All right, and all of this that's left is the breast, and it's so big, what I usually do is cut this up into 2 or 3 pieces. So that's 1. And that's 2. And I'm gonna put this in the pan. So just to recap, first you cut it down the middle. Cut the chicken down the middle, and then you're left with this half chicken. And so we're going to cut off the leg quarter piece here, the leg and the thigh. I'm going to cut that off. Ooh, this chicken is falling off the bone. It's a little bit overcooked. So now we have the leg quarter here. And we're going to cut off the leg. We have the leg there. We have this nice looking, good looking, juicy thigh. Put that over there. Then we have our wing and our breast left. And so what we're going to be left with is 2 thighs, 2 legs, 2 wings, and 2 breasts. Is that right? 2 legs, 2 thighs, 2 wings, 2 breasts, 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces of chicken. That's your 8 piece right there. But because I cut these breasts into like 2 or 3 pieces, I wound up with more than 8 pieces of chicken. So we just got our wing cut off of here. All right, and so now we're gonna cut this breast up. All right, this piece right here is the neck of the chicken. You know, some people like to eat the neck. It definitely has meat on it. Not that much, but it has some meat on there. So we're gonna cut this breast up, and boom, we're going to put it in our pan. And that, my friends, is how we got some scraps here. You can eat that later. All right, put this away and bring over here, and this is how you cut a chicken.